Recently, I've been thinking about getting into a side-by-side. One of the best places to go where you can see, touch, feel, and compare different models is at a power sports or sportsman show. Let's have a look at a few different models. The Quinte Sportsman Boat and RV Show has so many things to check out. Pretty much anything anyone that's into the outdoors would enjoy. Hunting, fishing, you name it, they got it. And you can always support a local organization, buy a ticket, maybe you win an ATV. Now, this is one of the more interesting things I came across. It's a kayak that's set up for fishing. And you know what? It's pretty neat. I don't think I'd ever use one of these. But you know what? Someone might find it pretty interesting. And I really dig this pedal power propeller. Now, I'm not quite ready to get into a side-by-side just yet, but the more I think about it, something that's almost like a mini truck that's got an enclosed cab with heating and air conditioning, that's something I could probably get into. But not right now. I'm still going to rip my Renegade around. And if you want to see me do that, why don't you check out this video right here. We'll talk to you in the next one. Cheers.